Welcome to DelphStack. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix error 0x872EFE in Microsoft Edge step by step. This error usually happens when Edge cannot connect to Microsoft servers due to network issues, firewall blocks, or corrupted settings. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if needed. Next, make sure your date and time are set correctly because incorrect time can break secure connections. Now open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and turn off any proxy or VPN you might be using. After that, open Command Prompt as administrator and run a network reset using winsock reset to refresh network settings. By typing netsh winsock reset, you can also change your DNS to Google DNS for better connectivity and fewer errors. Then restart Microsoft Edge and try again, or reset Edge settings from the browser settings menu if the issue continues. Also make sure Windows Firewall or antivirus is not blocking Edge connections. Finally, restart your computer and try opening the page again. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.